Yes, 5 minutes?
I'm out to one, yeah. Two.
I know this thing is 5.
No, last stretch. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7.
Oracle,
1. 8. 9. 10.
2,
11.
3,
12. 13. 14.
4.
15.
This is a wicked champion.
16.
You bring the Guno, you tell yourself on board, we racing this man. And there's the board I want.
18. 19.
7,
20. 21. 8. 22. 23.
9,
24. 25.
10,
26. 27. 28.
11,
29. 40.
12,
41. 42. 43.
more one more
44.
rackle for me. The ball
13.
fine rackling, you see the ball
14. 47.
The pressure on the board you want.
15,
49.
16,
40.
17,
41. 42. 43.
18,
44.
rattle,
45.
19, rattle again.
46. 47.
20,
48. 49.
21.
The coach.
It's called dog
Guyana.
Last time you do that,
2:35.
it's called dog race. This ball don't do this kind of time. 4 minutes. This ball is a 4 minute ball.
Look at that. That's it.
Look at that.
Who next?